Alright, so if you're ever having any issues with your burr grinder, if you notice that the grind is starting to be really inconsistent, like some of the beans will be fine or some of them will be chunky, you probably need to check your burr holder. If you notice on this one, all the little paddles are completely gone. So for us, that was the culprit. This is a video explaining how to change it. What you do is you take off the top popper like this, and then you take the little rubber gasket thing out, lift this up, you take the burr grinder out like so, and just two little clips on the side, pops out like this, and you take the new one, line it up like so, clips in there, boom, clips in like that, and then what you want to do is line it back up like this. Look inside there, look it straight on like this, the little red line there is going this way, so it just kind of sits in there like so. And you're going to put the gasket back on, put the hopper, line it up with the arrow, should be good to go. They sent me this cool little sticker, so we'll end the video with this. Don't dump it, fix it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.